Here's another great RV from family-owned Campbell RV of Southern Florida.
Hi, I'm Leanna. Today I'm going to be walking you through the Flagstaff Micro Lite by Forest River Model 25FKBS.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by today and see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So, it's important to contact us right here at Campbell RV for actual details about this floor plan. We'd love to help you find just the right RV. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we also don't have the time to show all of them in this short video. You really must come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this Campbell RV has to offer. Here at Campbell, we've teamed up with Forest River, Thor, ATC, and Heartland to make your family's RV dreams become a reality. We know you'll be impressed with our knowledgeable sales staff and our walk-in parts department, plus the top-selling floor plans. To be the first to see the latest in RVing, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Campbell RV. We're here to help.